Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Jain nachos at home. Jain cooking follows specific dietary principles, notably avoiding root vegetables such as onions, garlic, and potatoes. This unique approach ensures a fresh and wholesome meal. We will focus on creating rich flavors using alternative ingredients and traditional spices, ensuring your nachos are both delicious and compliant with Jain dietary guidelines. Get ready to learn the only way to prepare truly authentic Jain nachos. For your Jain nachos, start with a base of crispy corn tortillas or baked whole wheat chips. Next, craft a fresh salsa using finely diced tomatoes, colorful bell peppers, and fragrant cilantro, omitting any onion. A creamy cheese sauce made from dairy or a plant-based alternative will add richness. Finally, incorporate a protein like black beans or sprouted mung for a satisfying and wholesome addition. Begin by arranging your chosen chips in a single layer on a baking sheet, ensuring even crisping. Next, generously spoon your vibrant, fresh salsa and cooked black beans or sprouted mung over the chips. Then, drizzle the warm, creamy cheese sauce evenly across all layers, ensuring every chip is coated. Finally, bake your nachos at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes until golden and bubbly. To elevate your Jain nachos, garnish them with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro, finely diced jalapenos for a gentle kick, or creamy avocado slices. Serve your nachos immediately, ensuring the cheese is perfectly warm and delightfully gooey. Consider offering a side of Jain-friendly sour cream or a fresh lime wedge for an extra burst of flavor. Enjoy this wholesome, flavorful snack with your loved ones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.